Up, place, yes. Good job. Very nice. Sit, yes. Good sit. Good job. Down, yes. Good job. Very nice. Yes. So now I know that she's going to get in the appropriate positions to sit down and stand. I'm going to start saying it right before she actually does it. Yes. Good stand. Good girl. So sit. Yes. Good sit. Very nice. Down. Yes. Good down. Very nice. Yes. Down. Good down. We're working on duration also. Yes. So longer downs. Good job. Yes. Good stand. Good girl. Stand. Yes. Good stand. Good girl. Good job. Good job, Seffi. Stand. Yes. Good stand. Nice. So I know she's going to do it. She's really solid with offering these positions. Stand. Yes. So I'm saying the word just before she does it. Sit. Yes. Good sit. Very nice. Good job, ma'am. Down. Yes. Good down. Yes. Good down. Very nice. Sit. Yes. Good sit. Yes. Good sit. You see, I'm taking the food away just slightly. Yes. Good job. And as long as she's remaining in that position, yes, she's getting a marking cue and rewarded with food. Yes. Good stand. Good girl. Stand. Yes. Good girl. Stand. Yes. Yes. Leave it. Yes. Good leave it. Good girl. Yes. Good stand. Sit. Yes. Good sit. Awesome. Down. Yes. Good down. Yes. Good down. Sit. Yes. Good sit. Yes. Good sit. Stand. Yes. Good stand. Yes. Good stand. Awesome, ma'am. Good job. We'll do one more off. Yes. Good job. And up. Yes. Good job. Very nice. Oh, that was so good. All right. Take a little break. Let's play. Let's go potty real quick. Good job, ma'am.